Hello and welcome back to another edition of Snack Attack. Today I'm going to show you how to use hot cocoa powder to make a brownie in a mug. For ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. I've already got it here in my mug. 6 tablespoons of hot cocoa powder, any kind that you like. 4 tablespoons of flour. This is just regular all-purpose. 3 tablespoons of water. And then I've got some extras. This is marshmallows and chocolate chips. Just because I feel like hot cocoa always needs marshmallows, even if it's a brownie. This is really simple. We're just gonna mix all this stuff together. I'm gonna add the water first. I don't know, what do you think? I think it looks like brownie batter already. Now I'm going to add my extra stuff and stir it in just a little bit. Alright, now for the actual cooking. I'm going to put it in the microwave on high for 90 seconds. No more than that. Alright, you can see the ooey gooey chocolate and marshmallow on top, which I'm really excited about. But you really have to let it cool before you eat any of it at all. I do recommend putting some ice cream on top because that's how I like my brownies. We'll see you next time.